Hello, my name is Mayrin Guadalupe Requena Alpuche. I am working like an English teacher in Francisco Gabilondo Soler and Quetzalcoatl Kindergarten. Today I'm going to show you a fun activity about animals and shade-off. The materials are the following: animals pictures and shade-off, paper magnifiers, a flashlight, and a white fabric. Let's start. Use a flashlight in your hand and show to your students an animal. You can ask some questions like, can you see a shadow? Is it big or is it small? Choose an animal, pictures, and show to your students the shadow. The children need to choose what is the correct shadow. For example, the first one, the second one, or the third one. Another activity is for the children play with the paper magnifiers. Turn on your flashlight and you can ask to your students, what animal do you see? Try this shadow and animals activity in your class. It's fun, creative, and full of learning. Thank you so much. See you next class.